Hello guys, in today's class I'm going to provide solution to these given questions. This equation, the question here is such question, this is a such question, and this is from a system of linear equations where you are given two equations of variable x and y, and we have a constant here which is k. So the constant here is k. Okay, so we need to find the value of k using the condition that the system of equations have no solution. Okay, so this is what to do here. Solution. Now the first question I'm going to ask you is that when is a system of equation has no solution? Okay, that's the first question you need to answer first before you can proceed to find the value of k here. Okay, so if you don't know that, then you can write it now. A system of equation has no solution when you have the same expressions but different equations. Same expressions, different equations. So what I mean by that is, looking at this question now, let's say I have x plus y equals 3, x plus y equals 4. Looking at this now, we have two equations and the equations are different, they are not the same. But in the two equations now, the expressions are the same. So meaning that x plus y here, x plus y here. So the only difference here is that the two expressions here are equated to different value. So, and what you are saying here is that for you to equate the same expression to be different values, that means there is no solution. So you cannot tell us that x plus y here is 3 and that same x plus y is 4. So it is not possible. So these two lines can never meet. So that is what you are trying to say. Now, so don't forget the condition I told you. You must have the same words, same expressions, same expressions. And for you to have same expressions, that means the coefficient of the unknown variables in both equations must be the same, okay. So looking at the question where you have kx minus 3y, if I'm not mistaken, equals 4, and the other one is what? 4x minus 5y equals 7. So the first thing you have to target here is to ensure you have the same coefficient. So now let's start with y. The coefficient of y in equation 1 is minus 3. Y that of equation 2 here is minus 5. So what you could do to make sure to ensure you have the same value as the coefficient is to interchange the coefficients. What I mean by that is multiply this, multiply equation 1 by 5 while you multiply equation 2 by 3, so that you have 5kx minus 15y equals 20, and here you have 12x minus 15y equals 21. Okay, so now we have the same coefficient of y in both equations. Now for this equation now, for this system of equations to have no solution, that means the coefficient of x as well must be the same. The coefficient of x here is 5k, while this is what? 12. So for that reason, you have 5k equals 12. Hence, the value of k is going to be what? 12 over what? 12 over 5. So meaning that the value of k for this system of equations to have no solution is 12 over 5. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and for the returning subscribers, ensure you share and comment. Thank you.